Hey guys, it's Alex here from Computer Headquarters. I've got another build video for you today. Today's video is Andrew from our customer service team. This is his computer he uses every day to do his job, to get his work done. We use this computer quite a bit, he uses this computer quite a bit. It's a pretty awesome computer. We designed it around a Fallout theme because Andrew's a big Fallout fan, and so I want to go through some of the little custom touches we did and the whole overarching thing. Most of our build videos we've done for you guys in this build series, we start with the parts, we show you the parts, and then we do like a time lapse of all the building of it, and then we show you the end result. This is gonna be a little bit different. We're just gonna show you just the end result, and it's kind of like an experiment. We wanna see what you guys think. Do you guys like just jumping into the end result? Do you like watching the whole process from beginning to end? Let us know in the comments. We're trying some new things just to see what you guys like. So, let's take a look at it. So we've got the Thermaltake P5 case. This is a wall mountable case. Very unique. It's one of maybe the only wall mountable case I know of. So if you get like a TV bracket on your wall, like something you would mount a TV with, you could mount this case to that bracket and kind of make your computer like a piece of art on the wall. But what we end up having was this weird, it's actually a Sony TV stand base, and unfortunately we're missing the middle plate down there, but it gives you a TV mount off the ground, and so we're using that, and then we're using the P5 mounted to that, and you can run the cables. You can see there's like a channel here up the middle that you can run your cables through, and then we have the NZXT N7B550 motherboard, which has like kind of like a shielding thing over it. And this is kind of crazy. What we did is we found the Vault-Tec Fallout Special Edition shield that was not made for the B550 motherboard. It was made for I believe the Z390. So it's from a long time ago. And then we bent it and cut it and sawed it and all sorts of stuff and just kind of jammed it on there in place of the B550 shielding so it would fit. And then we took a yellow paint pen and we painted this VRM heatsink right here. It's like the shielding over the VRM heatsink. And then we kind of like weathered it a little bit to kind of go with that Fallout theme. And then on top of that, we have a 5800X CPU. It's not the 3D one because Andrew's just working. He's not gaming on this computer. If he wants to game, he can go in the LAN center and do that. And then he has 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RAM, DDR4. So they're all 8 gig sticks. We have all yellow sleeve cables going everywhere. And then kind of like one of the bigger pieces of this whole build here is we have this Radeon Frontier Edition video card. It's a very rare card, and it perfectly matches the blue and yellow theme of the Fallout theme. Andrew actually had this Pip-Boy at his house that he brought in because he wanted to keep it with this computer. He really liked it. And oh yes, I forgot to mention the power supply has we put all these like stickers on it, kind of like a sticker bomb thing to try to just make it blue and yellow because there isn't really a blue and yellow power supply to go with the theme. So that was kind of the best we thought of. We set all the RGB lights to yellow all the time. And then something worth mentioning here is that Andrew brought this from home because he wanted to kind of go with the theme here of the Pip-Boy, the Fallout stuff. He had at one point bought a collector's or deluxe edition or whatever Fallout video game, and it came with this Pip-Boy. This is from a long time ago. And let's see, hopefully Derek can get this on screen, but there's 2 latches on the side, and you pull those up. How do you do that? Oh man, it's actually kind of hard to open. There we go. And that lifts up, and you can see there's like the styrofoam in here, and inside of there would be this Pip-Boy that comes with a display case, or a display stand, I should say. It says Pip-Boy Model 3000 MK4, manufactured by Roboco Industries for distribution by Vault-Tec Corp, not for civilian use. And then there's like little gauges on here and stuff that you can move around. Sorry, someone's calling me. Other things up here that can move around. I haven't tried all this stuff, but this is actually a real metal latch. That's pretty cool. And this thing can go on your arm. And Andrew actually looked this up for us, and he saw that it's made for iPhone 5. So that kind of tells you how old this is, because I will think we're on iPhone 14 now. So this might be like 10 years old or something, maybe more than 10 years old. It's pretty cool. It's probably collectible now. I don't know how much they sell for, but it's very nice of Andrew to bring this to the office to, kind of bring this build to the next level. And so yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys think of this build. If it was fun for you, this is going to be a much shorter video than usual. I do want to mention before we end the video, we're doing a giveaway computer. So go to chqstore.com if you want to check out that giveaway and enter for the giveaway. It's going to be over at the end of this month. We're currently in March 2024. We do plan on trying to do more giveaways after that one's over. So if you're watching this video months in the future, still go check out the website to see if there's a current giveaway going on. And then also we always like to plug our company, of course. We sell factory refurbished parts for gaming PCs, mostly desktops, and we also sell our own custom desktops. If there's a desktop that you don't see on our website for sale right now, go ahead and there's a contact section on the website, chqstore.com. You can call us, you can email us, and if you want a spec'd out custom gaming PC, you can ask us for a quote. So hopefully we'll hear from you, and we'll see you in the next video, which is going to be a really big one. It's going to be another themed computer that we built from scratch, and it's going to be the most expensive build we've done in the whole series, the LAN series, of 14 videos or whatever that have came out so far. So hope to see you then. Thank you.